The middle east segment of the smartphone is becoming very crowded. There are already quite a few phones focused on specific areas while some offer well-balanced experience at a fair price. Vivo V20 is the new mid-range from Vivo that looks not only super smart but also has a number of different features that many people can appreciate. The Vivo V series has always striven for a perfect balance of looks, features and price. As one of the highlights, the phone has a slim design and a 44 megapixel selfie camera. But is that enough? Let's find that out in this video. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. If you are a tech enthusiastic, then do join our Telegram group. Link in the description below. So without any further delay, let's get started. First up, we'll unbox the phone and look the contents. Vivo V20 is lightweight, weighing around 171 grams and just 7.3 mm thin. This compact smartphone is easier to hold and operate even for long hours. There are 3 different colors available: the Sunset Melody, Midnight Jazz and the Moonlight Sonata. We have here the Midnight Jazz, that is the black variant. It has a thin profile on the back with a textured forest finish, a premium look and a nice feel. The rear cover has a Gorilla Glass 5 for scratch protection. It's very much clear that Vivo's focus was on design. The Vivo V20 is eye-catching and appealing to those who admire architecture. It's compact and has rounded corners that makes it easier to carry. It's got thin borders that adds to the overall aesthetics. Moving to the front, the display features a dewdrop notch, which is one of the classic notch types and is covered by the Scott Sensation 3D glasses. The display is a 6.44-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixel. AMOLED offers deep black and rich colors perfect for watching content on the go. The display is HDR10 compliant and it's turning pretty bright for outdoor reading. The refresh rate of 90Hz would have been better, but 60Hz is also fine. But the UI transitions and animations are snappy and we didn't mind the standard 60Hz panel in particular. We realized that it may be difficult for certain users to look beyond the underscreen fingerprint and facial unlock Pro active. Vivo V20 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor coupled with 8GB of RAM. The Snapdragon 720G is a good processor. During my test, I installed several social media applications on the phone and didn't find any of the performance problems. I didn't find any lag during long gaming sessions or intense gaming. The V20 runs on Android 11 based on FunTouch OS 11 out of the box. Typically, these phones are a little slow to update, but as it already comes with Android 11, the future looks pretty bright. Customization of the basic system is endless. You can customize animations, theme colors, and much more without a theme, configuring your phone to have the special touches that you want. Like you can adjust your fingerprint animation, face recognition animations replay, and more. The FunTouch OS on the CPU consumption side is a little big, but the 720G takes good care of it. Overall, the software experience is fantastic. In the day and age in which manufacturers push up to 7000 mAh on mainstream phones, the 4000 mAh battery does not seem like much, but the battery efficiency turned out to be better than expected. This durability can be partially due to Android 11 optimizations and FunTouch OS 11's active RAM management. We are going to get 9+ hours screen time. The 33 watts fast charger packed in the box takes around 1.5 hours to completely charge the phone. The mono speaker at the bottom is getting very noisy, but at best the audio quality is average. Audio works fine through wired headphones. As for Bluetooth codecs, Vivo V20 supports Qualcomm's aptX and SBC and AAC codecs. If you have the qualifying headphones to stream from LDAC or Qualcomm's aptX HD, then the audio for the V20 would be more enjoyable. The Vivo V20 packs triple camera at the rear, which contains 64 megapixel autofocus with 8 megapixel wide angle, which also takes macro and bokeh images, and a 2 megapixel monochrome lens. These are some of the 64 megapixel camera samples. The images are rich in colors and warmer as well. It also gives better sharpening and dynamic range is pretty well. The colors do pop, the details are pretty good, color balance is better as well. The wide angle image are good and it maintains better highlight and wider dynamic range. Though it does some smoothing on the person's face, but in the background, subject separation and HDR, it does a very good job. The Vivo V20 night pics are good as well, but yet I can see some noise and minimal sharpness which I think can be improved in a software update. In night mode, V20 has better color reproduction and the highlights are better maintained as well. Coming to the front, we get a 44 megapixel selfie camera. The selfies look good. Again, the background subject separation is good. Here the exposure management is way better and the photos looks lively with warmer color tones. V20 is also the first device to have the eye autofocus function, which helps to take videos and photos with continuous autofocus. To conclude this, with this handset, instead of its normal sequence of odd numbers, Vivo went with a fresh naming strategy. It shows the new strategy it has taken with V20. It is not directly comparable to its predecessors but concentrates more on the architecture instead. The Vivo V20 will appeal to you if you value looking at other aspects of a smartphone. It's a slim phone, it's well built and feels premium to the touch. It has a good quality AMOLED display, it runs the new software based on Android 11 and the output of the camera is better than what we normally get in this price range. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, this is Manish signing off.